show you a short and sweet farm. This is the projector. These are the seats. I'll show you. These are the seats. This is the bamboo floor mat. So when seeing movie, we can sleep like this and see. This is the wooden house. This is the swing bed with attached bathroom. This is the open shower. This is the bonfire. And here's the grass. The tree bean bag. This is one more bean bag. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to Vibhav'S world. మీకు కూడా ఏమైనా ఫార్మ్స్ తెలిస్తే కామెంట్ సెక్షన్లో కామెంట్ చేయండి.